Alright guys, so today my daughters here are going to do my makeup and they are extremely excited. As you can see, I filmed the video right before this that you seen last week. If you watched that, if you didn't, go check it out and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more fun videos. And I also love whenever I get suggestions of what to do in my video, so make sure you leave those too. Alright, so I guess please pray for me. I'm terrified right now, but I guess we're about to get started.
So I need to get some cream too. Ah.
Hold on. How do you open it? Has a wand on the... Hold on. This is you. You wanted to do my makeup. You don't want to put it in my eye.
Be careful.
I think they completely missed most of my face with that foundation. I'll pour this into the cap for you because you guys. I'm gonna have a panic attack. Why did I think this was a fun idea? Why? Oh, do you guys like what my makeup looks like so far?
Yeah.
I'm not.
I don't like it. On my side. This is probably put on her side. Yeah.
You do whatever you want, baby.
There you go. Yeah.
Here, I'll.
Oops.
I feel like they're trying to plug my nose. You need to be careful with what you do on that one. Alright, I thought you were using this one.
Oh yeah.
And I'll give you a brush to use. How about you use this one?
Okay. I'm gonna use the red one on your eye.
like?
Next is the.
There you go. Well, that's the highlighter and that's the blush. Yeah, whenever it comes to the highlight, baby.
Where's mine at? Confusing. Let's pick. Where's mine at?
Hold on. Sissy will give you that one when she's done.
That was that one. I'm going to put it right there. Then I'm going to lose this one. And I'm going to lose this blush.
Okay.
But,
I'm terrified.
don't be terrified.
Right here.
And there. That part.
I'm glad my kids listen to where I tell them to put stuff.
Got that part. Now.
What's next, you guys? Not that one, not that one, not that one.
This is the other one.
That yellow one's fine. They're going to be using the Colossal Volume Express Mascara from Maybelline. You guys are both do it. You'll do one eye, Sissy will do the other. They have to be very careful to not poke my eye. But for the longest time, this was my ride or die mascara. And about 2 years ago, I'd say, was whenever I started discovering other mascaras and quit using this one so much. Sorry, I'm moving so you don't hit. Okay, now Faith's turn. Oh god. Is it smart of me to let a 5-year-old mess with my mascara? I doubt it. Okay, turn your hand this way. Alright. What's next, guys?
I'm gonna do that one.
What are you looking for now? Lipstick? Is that the last step?
Yeah.
Because you guys aren't getting near my eyes with eyeliner, I'm sorry. What's the one we're using today? Okay. You see the way the applicator is? See it? Ah! Hey, that doesn't go on my feet. Hold the applicator. Done? Alright. So, yeah. I'm gonna go get my mirror.
Be ready.
I'm absolutely terrified right now.
What do you think?
I think I just found my new everyday makeup look, guys. Oh my God. I guess I am now going to go wash this off. But first I gotta send a picture to their daddy. So, come here. This is Faith. This is Serenity. And I really think it's my best makeup look yet. I don't know why I was so terrified throughout the whole thing, but that's all we have for you today. So please do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next week, or I will anyway. I don't know if they'll be in my next video, but I will. Either way,